What if rejection isn't something to run from, but something to run toward? What if every no you've ever received was actually redirecting you to something greater? Aristotle believed the purpose of life is eudaimonia, flourishing through reason and virtue. In this video, we're unlocking 13 powerful lessons on how to use rejection to your favor, drawing from the ancient wisdom of Aristotle and the expansive mindset of the Polymath. Number 1. Rejection is catharsis, not condemnation. Aristotle viewed tragedy as a tool for catharsis, a cleansing of emotion. Rejection feels tragic, yes, but it's purifying. It burns away illusions, false paths, fake allies, hollow dreams. What's left is real. Number 2. The golden mean of self-worth. In Aristotle's ethics, every virtue lies between two extremes. Confidence lies between arrogance and self-doubt. Rejection tempts you to slide to one side. But stay centered. You were never worthless. You were simply misaligned. Number 3. Logos, the rational gift of rejection. Logos, logic and reason, is how Aristotle believed we arrive at truth. Rejection is a rational filter. It exposes weak arguments, shaky skills, shallow desires. What remains standing is what's strong. Number 4. The polymath's pivot. A polymath doesn't cling to one outcome. They adapt, evolve, and explore. Rejection to a polymath is just a signal. Change approach, not mission. One closed door opens 5 others. Number 5. Eudaimonia is forged in fire. True flourishing requires struggle. No hero becomes great without resistance. Rejection isn't failure. It's necessary tension that forges virtue. Each no is a rep in the gym of character. Number 6. Telos, finding your true direction. Everything has a telos, a purpose. Rejection forces you to ask, is this really where I'm meant to go? It's a compass, sometimes painful, but always directional. Number 7. Rejection builds. Ethos, your reputation. Ethos means character, credibility. Those who rebound from rejection become respected because we trust those who don't give up. Rejection is a chisel. It shapes your story. Number 8. Polymathy trains, emotional flexibility. Rejection hurts, but emotional resilience comes from broad understanding. The polymath draws strength from psychology, philosophy, biology, even art. Don't just feel the pain, study it. Let knowledge regulate emotion. Number 9. Phronesis, practical wisdom from pain. Aristotle prized phronesis, practical wisdom. It doesn't come from books, it comes from life. Rejection teaches you timing, humility, discernment. One lesson at a time, it sculpts wisdom. Number 10. Reframe rejection, not a wall, but a mirror. Rejection often says more about the world than about you. It's not always your fault. Sometimes it's timing, taste, or tension. Don't see a wall, see a mirror. Ask, what can I refine? Number 11. The noble path requires resistance. Aristotle said excellence is not an act, but a habit. Habits are hard to form without hardship. The easy road is crowded. The rejected path is often the virtuous one. Stay on it. Number 12. Rejection as fuel for innovation. When Aristotle broke from Plato, many doubted him, but his rejection of one philosophy led to the creation of another. Innovators use rejection to build better systems. Let no become the spark for something entirely new. Number 13. Rejection creates an unstoppable narrative. Your story needs struggle. Your legacy needs conflict. Rejection makes you interesting, relatable, human. But more than that, rejection makes you resilient, and resilience becomes invincibility. Aristotle didn't just teach us how to think, he taught us how to live. Rejection is not a detour, it's the path itself. Accept it, learn from it, and like the polymaths before us, rise higher because of it. Subscribe to Aristotle for more ancient wisdom turned modern mastery.